Hello friends! Take a look at this frying pan. Today I'll tell you and show you how to clean it. The carbon buildup is thick and it seems easier to just buy a new one, but don't rush. I'll share a method that really saves even such hopeless specimens without the tedious scrubbing. The inside of the pan is generally in decent condition. There is a greasy coating on the sides, but it's not old carbon and is easy to remove. Hot water, a little mustard powder and baking soda. Soak for half an hour and the grime will come off on its own. But the outside, which has accumulated for years, 20 years or more, is a different story. In some places it's already starting to flake off, revealing a light, almost white metal underneath. So, let's figure out how to clean the pan. You will need a large container. I use a regular basin, but a large saucepan will do. The key is to make sure the pan fits completely inside, as the part you are cleaning should be submerged. If the handle and screws, it is best to remove it, though it's usually not very dirty, so you can easily clean it. Take a bar of laundry soap and grate it to create coarse soap shavings. You will need about a cup of these shavings. Half a bar is just enough. Add about a cup of washing soda to the soap. It's usually sold where you buy laundry detergent and other household chemicals. Pour a couple of liters of hot water into the basin and stir until the washing soda and soap combine. Place the dirty pan in the solution and add hot water until it's completely submerged. You can use the hottest tap water possible or boil a kettle in advance. The hotter the water, the faster the mixture will boil. The final ingredient is a cup of vegetable oil. It sounds unusual, but I'll explain the logic. Soap and washing soda create an alkaline environment that dissolves grease and carbon deposits, while the oil softens stubborn, hardened areas, making them easier to remove. Place the frying pan in the solution on the stove and wait for it to boil. After 5 minutes of boiling, you can examine the pan. The carbon deposits on the outside have noticeably swelled and are starting to peel off in places. After another 5 minutes of boiling, I take a knife and scrape off what's easy. The lay comes off almost like butter. Obviously, 10 minutes won't remove everything, so I only remove what comes off easily. It also became clear that the frying pan was enameled. Honestly, I've never seen one like that before. This solution is suitable for cast iron and steel pans, but you can't boil the non-stick coating in it as it can damage the coating. If you need to clean a non-stick pan specifically from carbon deposits on the bottom and sides, boiling is also possible, but there are some caveats. For more details, watch the video linked to the top right. The procedure is as follows. Take out the frying pan, scrape off everything that comes off easily with a knife, literally a minute of work, and dip it back into the solution for another 10 minutes. By this point, the solution has become almost black. This is old fat mixed with carbon particles. Once the main carbon deposit has come off, remove the pan from the solution and move to the sink. I use a soft sponge for Teflon and delicate surfaces, dish soap and hot water to clean the inside of the pan. The dirt comes off easily and the sponge doesn't scratch the surface. I also clean the outside with the same sponge, specifically cleaning off any remaining black spots. Let me remind you what the frying pan looked like at the start. Now look at the result. The difference is huge. Thanks to the solution, the carbon deposits came off with virtually no effort, there was almost no need to scrub, and it took me no more than 15 minutes of my personal time. The solution did the rest while boiling. Apart from the natural signs of use, the frying pan looks almost like new. So, if you have a similarly killed frying pan gathering dust, don't rush to throw it away. Try this cleaning method and share your results in the comments. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.